This is your Nitin sir in your favorite mathematics channel, Mukesh Ravi Mathematics 2020. Why I am telling favorite mathematics channel? There is a reason. Last day I post a trigonometry video about class 11th ICSE and 10th, and I received too much call from my students, sir, put video on trigonometry of class 10th. I just wanted to put this video in month of October, but the love of my student given me this sense to today I am going to put this video. This is very small video about the introduction of trigonometry. This video will help class 10th student ICSE and CBSE. So please watch the video till end. This is very short video. So many students call me, sir, put video in 2 part also, but so many students tell me that one also, this is very interesting video, sir, because 48 minute, packed 48 minute, we have watched all the things. So here trigonometry, a very short video about class 10th. First of all, when we begin this trigonometry, I am just going to tell you about basic, that is right angle triangle, the base of a right angle triangle. This is 90 degree, and other than two angles are known as part of the angle of a triangle, acute angle, but I always write, suppose this is I and this is second I. You will say, what Nitin sir is telling? This is Nitin sir, mathematics, Mukesh Ravi 2020. Why? Because suppose this is I. So my phenomena, when I am observing anything, that is my perpendicular, opposite to I. Because so many students have a confusion, hypotenuse, okay fine, inclined line, but what will be the perpendicular, what will be the base? So my phenomena, if you are finding this angle, suppose this is your I, so opposite to I is perpendicular and the other one is base. Suppose I am going to find this angle, opposite to I is perpendicular and this is base. So now today onwards I know you will like this one. What is I? Yes, this is, and opposite to I is perpendicular and downwards is base. Nitin sir, A, B, C, and I know so many, I have to say, I will teach also these things. So teach, my dear. YouTube is a platform to give your best. YouTube has not permitted only Nitin to teach here. YouTube has given a chance everyone to teach here. So please post your videos. So then market will have a good competition. ABC. This is a triangle ABC. Suppose this is my I. So this is my perpendicular, this is my base, and this is hypotenuse. So perpendicular square plus base square is equal to hypotenuse square. We know this one. And if you have any doubt, already I have posted right angle triangle in class 9. I will give the description also. Go and clear your doubt there. Now perpendicular square plus base square is equal to hypotenuse square. In this triangle, we are going to measure some angle. 30 degree, 40 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree, 180 degree. Already I have given the brief idea about the more than 90 degree in class 11, but in class 10 you have to measure till 90 degree and 90 plus theta something. Complementary angle, 90 plus theta. I will discuss with that only, but first of all I am going to discuss the measure part of the triangle is known as in 3 sections. First, second, third. This is sine, this is cos, this is tan. Already in some board ICSE class 9 there is an introduction part of sine, cos, tan. In CBSE there is an introduction and everything is in class 10. So I have started with the introduction part only, sine, cos, tan. Sine cos, tan. Sine is what? Without any angle, sine is meaningless. So sine theta or sine A or sine B. Theta may be this one, then this is sine C. If this one, this is sine A. If this one, this is sine B, and sine 90 is 1. I will speak about that one also. This is cos theta and this is tan theta. Now sine theta is what? P by H. Already I discussed P is perpendicular. So if I am going to measure this angle, this is P and this is H. Cos theta is what? Base by H. And then tan theta is what? The ratio of sine theta. First of all, I will write this one, cos theta. Sine theta is what? P by H and then B by H. H cancel, this is P by B. So tan theta is equal to P by B. Then I always speak about the other angle of a triangle is sine is the reciprocal of cosec. Cosec theta, cos sec theta, tan cot theta. So cosec theta is the reciprocal of sine theta. That's why I have divided them. I always speak sine, cos and tan is the primary value and the secondary one cosec, sec and cot. Why? When you have to prove something, you always convert the primary value. So you will have an easy process. So cosec theta is reciprocal, means H by P. Sec theta H by B and tan theta, cot theta B by P. This is. So sine theta, cosec theta, cos theta, sec theta, tan theta, cot theta. These are the reciprocal to each other. I always use they are brother and sister. Wow. So coding, you have to give the coding. Some teacher use generally what? Check here, P by H, B by H, P by B. P by H, B by H, P by P. Usually we speak. If you have seen one movie, Chalk and Duster, this is very classical thing. Pandit Badri Prasad Hari Hari Bol. And in our time, Pakistan Bhukha Pyasa, because the Kargil Yudh was there, so we have developed this one. Pakistan Bhukha Pyasa, Hindustan Hara Bhara. So this is your wish, how you are going to take this one. Okay. So this is the primary introduction of sine theta, cos theta, tan theta, cos theta, sec theta and cot theta. Now there is a one relation also. I don't want to use shortcut here because this is a, suppose if my daughter 6-year-old, if I am going to tell her to do not learn A, B, C and learn direct aeroplane. So that will not work. A for apple, B for boy, this is a classical thing. We have some systematic idea about the teaching. See, solving question will not help every time. When your base is good, when you go for the competition, this will help you, my dear. I always speak one thing about the coaching system in India. There is so many type of synchro batch, and the result of the synchro batch is 90% and other than synchro batch is only 10%. Why? Because in synchro batch all the children are very good. So because their base is good, that's why they perform well in the competitive examination. So please prepare your base, my dear. This is my suggestion. So trigonometry. Now here we have some concept about trigonometry. This is what? Sine square theta plus cos square theta, and I will write here fill in the blanks. I will not write anything. Suppose sine is what? P by H, perpendicular by H whole square, B by H whole square. So this is what? You are in class 10th or 9th, so H square. This is P square, B square. Already I have written first part, P square plus B square is equal to H square. So H square by H square, cancel, this is 1. This is your first part. Sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. And we will use this one what? Sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So here two application, cos square theta 1 minus sin square theta, and sin square theta 1 minus cos square theta. You will say very easy. Yes, it is very easy because this is the introduction part of a trigonometry. Yeah. Now suppose this is second one. Second one, that was weight, my dear. Second one is 1 plus, very good identity these are, is equal to sec square theta. So 1 plus tan, this will give you 1 is equal to sec square theta minus tan square theta, or you can say that is only. Okay, now check, sec square theta means what? P by h, h by b whole square, minus tan theta is what? P by b whole square. Now you check, h square minus p square divided by b square, hypotenuse square minus perpendicular square, b square upon b square, cancel, this is 1. So this is already given in the book, but why I am giving you some derivation? Because you just know how to use this application. And then third one is this is going to be a very short video, introduction. Second part I will give after 2 days, because I just wish that my student will practice these things at home first of all. So now this is what? Cosec square theta minus cot square theta 1. And now I am going to prove this one. Cosec square theta minus cos square theta in terms of. Third one in terms of the sin theta and cos theta. This is 1 minus sin square theta minus cos square theta upon sin square theta is equal to 1. I have written here 1 minus cos square theta is equal to sin square theta. First formula, sin square theta plus cos square theta. So this is what? Sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. This is sin square theta by sin square theta, because in the question you are not going to write perpendicular and hypotenuse and everything. Okay, so this is your observation. These are the 3 identity we are going to use frequently here in the question. Suppose 1 cos square theta and something, so how we will use? Cosec square theta is equal to 1 plus cot square theta, or you can write cosec square theta minus 1 is equal to cot square theta. These are the basic principle of the trigonometry. So my dear, this will be very useful. Now apart from this trigonometry, please, I am writing some formula here. Please learn this, because I am going to use this kind of a thing in the next video also. Why? Because this is very useful. So many teachers are not going to speak about algebra, but I always write in the beginning class a plus b whole square, revision a square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay, because sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So if you know, you will write a minus b. Here also a square plus b square minus 2ab, and then a square minus b square, a plus b, a minus b, and sometime aq minus bq. So many good question according to the board examination, and aq plus bq. This is the revision. Okay, so this is the intro part of trigonometry. You watch this video, practice about the primary formula. It will help you, and wait for the next video. Within 2 days I am going to post about your exercise, ICSE and CBSE, both exercise I will solve here. So till then, take care, bye bye. and watch my video and share my video with your friends. Okay.